Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today, I want to give you 22 abbreviations that you can use in texts, emails, or online in general. Plus, So, Mr. Mitch, do you know why you're here?
Where am I? I was supposed to be at a party like 20 minutes ago. I've already got FOMO.
FOMO, Mr. Mitch?
Fear of missing out, you boomer. It's an aspect of the human condition, and you feel that everyone is having a way better time than you are. I certainly feel that way now.
Listen, I don't care about your FOMO, or however you call it. I just want to know about you and where you were the night of the murder of Stephen Baldwin on the Zeröes Road.
What, like you want to know my DOB?
Your what?
My DOB? Date of birth? It's like one of the most common English abbreviations that you fill in on most online forms and documents. It's August 25th, 1995. And BTW, I was nowhere near Zeröes Road.
I want you to tell me exactly what you did that night, minute by minute, if you want to get out of here. And what's a BTW?
Just give me a minute to think. And it's by the way. So, my day went down something like this.
If you need help keeping up with this episode, you could consider checking out our Patreon page. We offer reading, audio, video, and chat-based extras to help you follow along with all our episodes and to suit your specific level of English understanding. You can choose from 3 levels of perks. The first level gives you reading materials such as transcripts and vocabulary lists, all related to the relevant episode that you're watching. The second level gives you audio and video perks for our episodes. You can get video downloads with and without subtitles, audio-only downloads of the episode, and other behind-the-scenes extras featuring outtakes and extra interviews that didn't quite make it into the final video.
So I was in my flat eating a sandwich, and I heard this huge noise that came from outside.
And what was it?
A BLT. A bacon, lettuce and tomato. You should give it a go sometime. A little slathering with mayonnaise. Dead good.
No, the noise outside.
I don't know. It was probably the builders that are working outside or something. Anyway, I got this email asking me to RSVP to a party at Stephen Baldwin's house that night.
RSVP?
Responde, s'il vous plaît.
In English, goddammit!
No, that's what it stands for. It basically means please reply if you're invited to a party or something. Anyway, I was made a VIP, so I had to go.
And what's a VIP?
A very important person.
And was there anything else on the invite?
No, that was it. Oh wait, there was something else written at the bottom of the email.
What did it say?
It said, P.S.
P.S.? What's that? More of your French stuff?
No, it's Latin. Postscriptum. These 2 letters still constitute a widely understood abbreviation for adding something extra to a finished letter. But I don't remember what it said afterwards. Anyway, so I wrote back that I'll be there ASAP. I went upstairs, I put on some deodorant because I stunk of BO. And then I left.
Slow down. ASAP? BO?
As soon as possible, and body odour.
And then you went down to the house and murdered him, didn't you? You never liked Stephen Baldwin. You only liked him because of his brothers and used him to get close. And when he found out, he confronted you about it. And you lost it, right?
Lol.
Lol? Like lots of love?
No. Laugh out loud, you boomer. It's one of the most common and well-known British abbreviations. It's so well known that it's now a verb and a noun.
But you were at the house.
No. So I got to the house, and I was checking my phone before I rang the bell, and... oh yes! I'd completely forgot to...
What?
The email. I remember the last bit.
And what did it say?
BYOB.
And what does that mean?
Bring your own beer.
A party without alcohol? Those f***s. Oh, for f***'s sake.
I know! And I'd forgot.
So then what?
So I text Stephen, BRB. Be right back.
And did Stephen Baldwin reply?
Yeah. He said, ETA, question mark.
What does that mean?
Estimated time of arrival, question mark.
And what did you say?
TBC.
Bloody hell, and what does that mean?
To be confirmed.
Right, so you went home, got your beers, came back and murdered him, didn't you?
No. I got home and I accidentally fell asleep on the bed.
And can anybody confirm that?
Listen, you can ask my GF if her BF was home right now. You can text her if you like.
No, it's fine. Your story is so boring it has to check out. Girlfriend and boyfriend, right?
Right. And the next thing I know, Stephen Baldwin is dead. And I was like, OMG!
For God's sakes, man, what does that mean?
Oh my god!
What? What? OMG, oh my god.
So, can I go now?
Sure. Sorry for wasting your time. But can I ask, who do you think did it?
IMO.
What?
In my opinion, it's always best not to ruin the twist at the end. But whatever. Stephen Baldwin's dead. R.I.P.
Rest in peace? Yeah. R.I.P. Bye, Mr. Mitch.
Yeah, bye. Oh, FYI, for your information, you could probably have figured this thing out if you'd have paid attention to the small details. But I guess if you want anything done, you got to DIY. Do it yourself. Bye. That'll be there ASAP. BRB, like 20 minutes ago. I've already got Fomo. A BLT. What, like, you want to know my DOB? BYOB. I got this email asking me to RSVP, and I was like, OMG! 5. And BTW, I was, you got DIY. Lol. FYI.
Detective,
Yes.
we just got this. It's a witness's description of the murderer.
OMG. Anyway, so I wrote back that I'll be there ASAP. I went upstairs, I put on some deodorant because I stunk of BO. And then I left.